Hi and welcome. My name is Melody from Melody Crochet, and today we're going to be doing a triple crochet together. I'm going to start with a slip knot. All of these little stitches are linked down below and have their own basics tutorial. I just want to show you from the beginning where you're probably working, just in case it helps, because the first time you do something it helps to see where you're actually coming from, just in case your issue fell before you're actually making the stitch. This is the first chain from hook, second chain from hook, third chain from hook. Here's the fourth chain from hook. So you're going to yarn over 2 times, so around and around, so it should look like that. And then you're going to insert the hook into the fourth chain and turn it this way. Otherwise it's not going to go through very easily. So insert, and now your hook is running pretty parallel to this working yarn over here. Go ahead and take that over your hook. Bring that back through the hole. That's called drawing up a loop. You're going to yarn over again, pull under 2 of the 4 strands on your hook. Now you have 3. You're going to yarn over again, pull under 2 strands on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over again, pull over the last 2 strands on your hook. And that is a triple crochet. Now to do it again, yarn over 2 times, insert into the next chain, yarn over and draw up that loop through the place you just went into, and 4 strands on the hook, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under 2, yarn over, pull under, everything on the hook. And that is how you do a triple crochet into a chain. Now let me do a few more and I'll show you how to do one into another triple crochet, or into any crochet stitch really. They all look the same on the top. But I don't want to just show you how to do it into a chain because you might be working into the top of another stitch. So now for height, before we turn, I'm going to chain 4 loosely, because you need to really get up there to be on level. You need it to be as high up as one of the stitches, and look how tall they are. So now you turn. Remember that you chain for 4, so you don't work into any of those 4 stitches. The one on here again doesn't count, so 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. So this is the first chain that's actually part of a stitch below it, and that's the one you're going to be working with. Now, yarn over 2 times and insert under both legs of the V of that stitch. That's what we're looking like. Yarn over, draw up a loop. Woo! 4 strands on the hook. Yarn over, pull under 2. Yarn over, pull under 2. Yarn over, pull under 2. Beautiful. And that's how you do it into another stitch. Yarn over 2 times. Insert yarn over, draw up that loop. Alrighty, thanks for joining me. If you have any questions or comments, I would love to hear those down below. My name's Melody, and I will be back again with another basics tutorial. Take very good care, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.